looking to put this one into the history books.
That's point for Yale.
Carolina finally pushed one through Sterling. Brown Sterling!
Did you see that?
Here comes the spike straight to the man!
The man!
The legend! His teammates help him to his feet. No! They race him heavenward!
I'm gonna prank my dad.
Police, open up!
What do you want?
We just want to talk.
You have a warrant?
No, but just come outside. We want to talk with you.
I don't want to talk. How many of you are there?
There's 2 of us, sir.
Go then, talk to each other.
Jason!
Yes, Mom?
See you later, Colin!
Find the way all the way through.
Jaden has $1 bill, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies. How much money does he have? Jaden broke.